People are not familiar with the current generated from solar plates. According to them, solar plates are of 12 volts and 24 volts, which do not generate current. However, I would like to clarify that solar plates are now connected in series. Previously, they were connected in parallel, meaning one plate was connected to another plate, along with positive and negative connections, and a charge controller was installed according to the UPS battery, etc. The voltage remained the same. If they were 12, then 12, and if they were 24, then 24, and the watt and ampere increased, which was used without posing a danger to human life. Now the plates are connected according to the inverter, in which the plates are connected in series. When the positive of one plate is connected to the negative of another plate, then when plates with 24 volts are connected together, the output becomes 48 volts and it is taken up to 450 DC volts. Depending on the number of plates, if there are 3, then it becomes 72 volts, and if there are 4, then 96 volts.